Hello everyone. Today I want to share the unboxing of my newly purchased Wowstick device with you. I got this amazing tool from Aliexpress.com for $37. It's a versatile electric screwdriver set with fantastic features. First, let's take a look at what's inside the box. The device charges with a 5V adapter, but only a USB cable is included, not the adapter itself. Inside the box, you'll find 69 different bits, which are sufficient for any task. Additionally, the box includes a magnetizer and demagnetizer tool, as well as a magnetic pad. The Wowstick is also notable for its design. It's sleek and compact, making it very convenient to use. With such a wide variety of bits, it will be invaluable for both home repair tasks and technical device assembly and repair. I haven't fully tested the device yet, but I will be trying it out on various tasks over the next few days. My first impressions are very positive, and I will share my complete review on my Instagram page soon. Be sure to follow me on Instagram to stay updated with the latest news and reviews. If you found this video interesting, please support me by subscribing to my channel and hitting the like button. Your support means a lot to me. Continue watching for the full unboxing and my initial impressions. Until next time, thank you and see you in the next video.